everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very easy and simple to make roti, chapati, fulka, naan, tortilla in your wall oven. As you can see, I have a double oven. I'm cooking rotis on a lower oven and upper oven. This is so quick and easy to make. You can use a multi-rack and you can make like 20 rotis in one shot. Look, it's very delicious. Roti, Tandoori Roti. This is a roti, Tandoori style roti. This is very tasty and very delicious and very easy to make. How do I make this roti in our tandoor, which is our wall oven? That I'm going to share with you today. Look at this very tasty and very delicious roti. All puffed up. You can make it within 2 to 3 minutes. You just need to preheat your oven on convection bake. You cook it for 2 minutes, then you turn it over, do the broil, and 1 minute. That's it. And once your oven is hot enough, then the next batch is much easier. 2 to 3 minutes, you can make your roti tandoori style at your home, at your comfort. So let's get started. In order to make a roti, we need a dough. How do we make dough? Please check it out my video. I have a poster on my channel. Then you need a dry flour, lazy Susan, and rolling pin. Once you roll out the dough ball, we're going to put it in a plate. First, we're going to make all the dough balls. That way it will become easier when we're going to roll out. So we're going to keep making a dough ball like this and keep placing in plate. As you can see, we roll out all the dough balls. We put it in a plate. Now we're going to start rolling and we're going to keep placing into the tray. We rolled out 7 roti, and this is the 8th one we're going to roll out. The reason we're going to do only 8 at this moment, because I wanted to show you, you can use 4 on a tray and 4 at the bottom tray and 4 at the upper. So let's take these and we'll take this one. So we'll bring these to the upper oven, and in order to do that, put it right here, and we need, you can use a spatula or pair of tongs like this. In typical Punjabi we call it chimta. This is pretty handy when it comes to the roti. So as you can see, the upper oven is preheated at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. And if we look at the lower oven, I start a little bit later. So that one is at 441. So we're going to wait once this one is also preheated. Then we're going to place the rotis inside the oven. So as you can see, the oven is preheated at 500 degrees Fahrenheit, which is 260 degrees Celsius. So if I turn the light on, as you can see, the upper oven, we place the tray right in there. If you don't have the tray, I'm using a vented tray. If you don't have the tray, then you can use aluminum foil. And this is the bottom oven. Only reason I'm showing you this one, if you have 2 ovens, then you can use both ovens, or you can use 1 rack here on the top, the second, third, 4 racks. So we can place 4 racks in the oven. There is a setting you can use multi-rack. Then you can use 1 oven. The whole purpose for me to do it both ovens, so you can see if you want to use both ovens at the same time. First I'm going to open the upper oven. Just be careful, don't burn yourself. We're going to pull this tray out and we'll place the roti on top of it. So we'll place roti just like that, and we'll place the second one. I'm going to place the third one, we'll place the fourth one, and we're going to close it. And now we're going to open the bottom one. We're going to pull the tray out As you can see, the tray is so hot, it's already started to cook. And this is a very good idea. As you can see, this one is done. The top and the bottom. It's nicely getting cooked. So as you can see, we gave only like a minute. And I'm going to pull it out. And now we're going to flip them over. So I'm going to put it back. And we're going to close it. And we're going to open the bottom one. And we're going to pull the tray out. We're going to close it. And this is very easy and it's a super quick to make our rotis in the wall oven. Look at that roti, how it's nicely getting puffed. Very nicely getting puffed. Perfect. And if we look at on the top oven, the same thing. It's all getting puffed up. Look at this. Perfect. So now if we go on the down, look at it started to puff the bottom one. And now this is the good thing which I wanted to show to you. We're doing the convection. And now I'm going to go back on upper oven and I'm going to cancel it. I'm going to go upper oven, I'll cancel it and I'll cancel the bottom one also. Now we're going to start the broil. Broil is very important. If we do on high, and that's only one setting, and the bottom one, broil, we're going to do the bottom one also. The whole reason I'm doing it, when you're doing the broil, that will give you the crunchy texture. As you've seen, we were cooking at convection bake. And it started to puff, and as soon as we started to change the broil, the other ones start to puff up. And look at this, all three are nicely puffed. As you see, they are nicely colored. So what I'm going to do, I'll quickly open it, and these are fully cooked. Look at that, delicious. And it's exactly like a tandoori roti. You can make in your own personal wall oven. And now we're going to do the same thing. Perfect. And I will pull the other one out. Now, see, the bottom one is also done. So I'm just be careful, don't burn yourself. Oh, look at this, nice texture. This is exactly when you are taking the roti from tandoor. This is the tandoori style. This one is not puffed, but it's still beautiful. So now put some butter on top of it. Add some butter and serve as a hot. And this is so delicious. Trust me, if you haven't tried making roti in your wall oven, please try it. And you're going to get the same flavor like a tandoor. So we're going to keep continuing applying the butter the same way. Just be careful when you put it on, don't burn yourself. Just like this, place the rotis right on top of the tray. And as I mentioned, you can use a multi-rack. And let me show you this one real quickly. And this one I changed the setting to the broil only. So I want to show you on the broil how long it will take. As you can see, the time itself is 2:10. How long it will take to make a beautiful roti, you will know. As we can see, it's only 1 minute so far. And look at that. It started to change the color. So if you see right now, it's about 1.5 minutes. This is how it's looking. We put it inside the oven 210 and now it's a 212. So 2 minutes. Now we're going to take it out and we're going to flip it over. So real quickly, you need to flip it over. So now we're going to close it. Once it's fully cooked, then we'll take it out. This is the fully 100% puffed. And look at the back one. That one is also puffed. So if you look at the time, it's 2:13. So 2:10, 2:13. Within 3 minutes, the rotis are ready. And this time we put it 4. You can use a multi-rack. If you don't have the tray or anything like this, you can put the aluminum foil. You can make it roti right on top of the aluminum foil. So 3 minutes, they're all done. Tandoori roti. This is a roti, tandoori style roti. And it's very delicious. This is very tasty and very delicious and very easy to make. Please try it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.